Let me start with some facts. According to National Judicial Data Grid, there are 43,50,978 pending civil cases, and if we talk about criminal cases, the number is 16,99,622, and almost 80.83% of the cases are those which are more than 1 year old. And this is just the data of High Court. And everyone who has even visited court for once in their life would be able to relate to Tariq pe Tariq and Jeb Khali. So hello everyone, my name is Nisha Rawat, and today I'm going to talk about ADR, that is Alternative Dispute Resolution. So because of the reasons such as unfulfilled vacancies in judiciary, wide range of disputes, and general belief of I'll see you in court, the number of pending cases is increasing and increasing. Hence, the mechanism of alternative dispute resolution was introduced. ADR, as the name is suggestive, means a substitute to the traditional methods of dispute resolution. That is, it is an alternative to the judiciary. So, what are the different methods that are under ADR through which the dispute is resolved outside the court? So, there are a few, namely arbitration, mediation, conciliation, negotiation, and lok adalat. Now, understanding what arbitration is. Arbitration, it is a procedure outside the court where the matter is submitted to an arbitrator. Arbitrator is like a quasi-judicial body, right? And the job of the arbitrator is, after listening to both the parties, to provide an award. And the thing that distinguishes arbitration from all other methods of ADR is that the award of the arbitrator is binding on both the parties, right? And next, what is mediation? So mediation is more like a win-win process. Mediation is a negotiation facilitated by a neutral third party that is known as mediator, and the job of the mediator is to make sure that both the parties reach to a conclusion, and it also assists the parties in reaching to a settlement agreement. And unlike arbitration, the mediator is not awarded with the power of decision making. He just does the job of making the parties reach to a conclusive agreement. And the next is lok adalat. Lok adalat is also known as people's court, and the concept of lok adalat was introduced by government, which takes no court fee for listening to the matter, and it was established by government to settle the dispute by the modes of conciliation and compromises. Now even the concept of digital lok adalat is in the picture. So I hope you understood the concept of ADR, and you would be able to reach to the conclusions of benefits of ADR, few of which are reduced courts burden, and it is a time saving process. And I hope you can let me know others in the comment section. Thank you.